Seriously, it's like a winter wonderland.
Yep.
Kiss still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile?
This is the first time in 2 days we ventured out because yesterday we were both not feeling too well. There also happened to be a snowstorm, so that was convenient. And now we're seeing the aftermath. There's this really soft snow everywhere, and more of the lake is frozen now than there was before. It's actually pretty good. It's really cold, but it's good to experience it.
My name is Marcin, and I will have the pleasure to be your storyteller for next approximately 2.5 hours.
It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get.
You probably can't see me, but I'm smiling because Rob gave me his scarf. This is Brama Wyżyna, or Upland Gate. It used to be the starting point of the Royal Way, where Polish kings were given the keys to the city. We also saw Złota Brama, or Golden Gate. From this side, it shows figures representing the characteristics of the ideal Gdansk citizen: agreement, justice, piety, and prudence. The Latin inscription reads, "In agreement, small republics grow. Because of disagreement, great republics fall." That building that we just saw was actually an armory, and it was just a place, it was an arsenal, it was a place to store their weapons, and yet it was all gilded and, you know, really intricately made because they could afford it.
Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life than
These dragon heads are called pukers because they puke with water as it rains. And these terraces with these stairs and pukers are the most characteristic features for the houses in the city of Gdańsk. That's the great crane, the harbor crane built in 14th century. That was the largest crane, harbor crane in medieval Europe as it was built in
So cold. And now it's snowing. And then we got to the most meaningful part of the tour. There, with only the sound of snow falling around us, Martin told us what happened here on September 1st, 1939.
Schleswig-Holstein strikes on Westerplatte. Westerplatte is like 4 kilometers from here in the harbor. It's 4:45 a.m. in the morning. It's hearable. Simultaneously with the first cannon shots on Westerplatte, SS and SA troops gathered here start in the same moment attack on Polish post office building. These two places are the first battleships of the world's largest conflict. This is the place where the Second World War started, here at Westerplatte at 4:45 a.m. on the 1st of September. At approximately 6 p.m. Those who survived the defense of the building decide to give up. Our final stop is in the backyard of the building, just around the corner. Those who survived decided to get up together. They went out outside, and all of them were put along that wall as you can see on the original picture taken by German propaganda. All of them were taken away the weapon and all of them were arrested. Within 1 week, there was a quick, fake, artificial trial and all of them were sentenced death as terrorists. Within 1 month, all of them were shot. They died because they were Polish. That was the only reason to kill them. There was no military reason for attacking this building. There was no military reason for killing these people. It was the first battleship and the first chapter of the world's largest military conflict that started here in the city of Gdansk, in front of this building. And that's pretty much the end of military action in the city of Gdansk. The city was clear out of all minorities. No Jews, no Polish, Germans only, all of them supporters of NSDAP, all of them loving Adolf Hitler. That's the proper German city.
So this is where Martin was just telling us that the post office workers lined up to be shot for doing nothing else than being Polish. A lot of people asked us when I told them that we were coming here, why Poland? Well, this is why. Because there's a lot of history that happened here, a lot of it bad, and a lot of people think that that's history, that's in the past. It can happen again. It will happen again. And I think that it's very important to go to these places and appreciate what exactly has happened and how that affected so many lives. And that's also why we're showing this to you. This is really important to remember. I think more people should come and remember as well.
Don't forget to subscribe to join us in our travels.
Also, check out our Lucky Dippers podcast.